Welcome back to another OBDSync video. I'm Jason, and today we're going to be going through how to program a replacement electronic brake control module, or also known as an EBCM, for a Holden VE Commodore. So go ahead, click on Vehicle, and then click on the EBCM tile here. It will then load through the available options, which will be flashing and learn functions. We'll go ahead, go to the flashing tab first, and we'll see we have our current and required operating system and calibration. Current is what's in the EBCM at the moment, and required is what we require for that vehicle. So in this case, they are matching, so this will be very fast when it goes to flash. We will flash anyway to demonstrate. Just make sure that you actually have a battery maintainer or charger fitted, just to ensure that this flashing goes smoothly and so that the voltage doesn't drop too low. When ready, go ahead and click on the right button to start. This will then begin downloading the operating system and calibration files, and once that's done, it will begin the programming procedure as we see here. Once it starts actually flashing, this is done within only a few seconds, which we'll see finish in a moment. That's now completed. We now have the correct OS and calibrations in the EBCM to suit that vehicle. Now we only have a couple learn functions to complete. So we'll go ahead and click on the learn functions tab along the top. We'll then complete our first option, which is the VIN secure link, which will actually link that module to the vehicle. That is now done, and next we'll do our final one, which is steering angle sensor learn. So go ahead and press go. We'll get a pop-up that will appear and give us 4 steps. First one is indicating the parking brake and turn the ignition on. Ensure the transmission is in park for automatics and neutral for manual vehicles, and ensure the steering wheel is in a straight ahead position. Then make sure you do not touch anything after you press OK. So we've pressed OK, we'll allow that to complete, which is done within a few seconds, and that's it all now done. Finally, make sure to clear any pending faults, otherwise that is the EBCM successfully programs to the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with our videos, otherwise we'll see you next time.